Hey everyone, it's Denise. Welcome back to Purlisse's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my date night Valentine's Day skin prep, as well as a quick get ready with me on this makeup look. So definitely keep on watching if you're interested. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us all on social media. Everything is just at Purlisse, and if you want to keep on watching, just stay tuned. So that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to follow us on all of our social media. It's at Purlisse, and if you use any of our products, you can use the hashtag Purlisse and hashtag PurlissePerfect to be featured on our stories. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and stay tuned for the next video. Bye!